All right, so we're here with
Tyler Kelly from Wildwood Heritage Glen in Salem Hemisphere.
Can you tell us what's new for 2025, Tyler?
The biggest thing that we're excited about is the ROOST43 here. It is a first of its kind destination fifth wheel hybrid, the first on the market, and I'm so excited to give you guys a walkthrough of it today and just show you what's going on and the grand unveiling of this thing. We'll start off back here in the living room. We have the nice sectional with the coffee table that comes included with the camper. We have the loft above, and we have the massive TV with the JBL sound system. That JBL sound system is going to have the subwoofer, 2 interior, 2 exterior speakers, and then you have the control module for it as well. And we'll just kind of work our way over here. We have the turkey burner oven with the 4-burner stove top, the big microwave, the huge fridge. You even have this nice spice rack here you can pull out. You have the gunmetal sink and the butcher block countertop here. My favorite part personally is the bathroom here. We have the fiberglass shower with the teak seat inside. This fiberglass shower is going to hold up better than other materials, and the teak seat's going to help people that might have problems getting around be able to take the shower easier. We've got the porcelain sink, right? Easier cleanup, but also the washer and dryer installed as well. This thing, like I said, you guys, we skip no corners on this destination fifth wheel. We have another bunk loft up here, right? So you have the bunk loft in the back, you have the loft here, plenty of sleeping area, perfect for a big family. And then you come down in the master bedroom here. And you have a half bathroom up here, a nice little work area up here, right? You want to do some late night reading or whatever, work on the computer. This is a perfect spot to do it.
So you mentioned the square footage being 530 square feet, and that's a big deal. Tell us why that's such a big deal and why this is sort of the biggest, the best, the first of its kind.
Now that's a big deal because in code, the regular destination trailers, they can't go over 400 square foot. So with this, you can't, you're able to expand upon that limited 400 square foot to 530 square foot. But an even better thing is you can actually tow this. A lot of the destination trailers, you're meant to just take them and park them. And yeah, you can take and park this thing, but you can pull it. You got a 3/4 ton. You got the triple axe on here with that 21K Rhino opening box. You're pulling this thing. You can take it where you want.
So that's great if you're sort of like a traveling nurse, or you work, up in Canada, up in like the oil fields or something. You need to be in these remote locations for, a month or 2 at a time. You can be there and then you can go somewhere else and take it around.
Absolutely. And we actually had a driver that called us the other day just to tell us that this thing tows like a dream, you guys.
Awesome. Yeah. Thank you for taking some time to chat with us.
Absolutely.
We look forward to seeing more from you.
Thank you guys.